Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. Puti unjani?
Unjani Ngobo Krutman na?
Ngiyaphila njani Puti?
Ngiyabonga ngiyathuba.
Nasonke Puti.
Yazi Ngobo today
Yeah.
into ekhona
Yeah.
le game kube yilaki sayidraw. Suppose you lose this game.
Exactly. Yeah.
Suppose to me my opinion ulelepo nge 10 minutes time albano scoreile beside ipayment.
Exactly.
Understand?
Yeah.
Wabuya wamesa ipenalty ibinges 2. Understand?
Exactly.
Ungqobo wabuya wathatha abantu wabheka phansi walahla ibhoni. Understand? Almost lahle 5 kube almost kube 5-1 la.
5-1, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
But now ama coach now abuya change late wena.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Abuya change late ama players angajwayelate nyathi. Nathi ama fans ngqobo asibeni patient. Umuntu engamosha bayambusha last time bebusha uSirini namhlanje bebe against uLelepo. Understand? Yes, nathi mfethu asifundele ubaphenini. Yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu baba.
Yes, ngiyabonga lamba.
Thanks man.
Shap.
Ethada so shap.
Bapha bani